Okay, I want to look at the couple possibilities here with SPX. So, a couple weeks ago, when we were up here at our all time high, I started warning everybody that we were going to potentially set up for a huge tumble, which is exactly what happened. So, I want to talk through the possibilities right through here again because we could be setting up for another large move. So, we tested this trend line right through here, right? And we've held above it on this weekly chart that I'm looking at right now. But what is significant is if we break below, we definitely could see more downside, but let's look at the opposite as well. Not only can we head up and test that all-time high again if we bounce here, but if you look at the bounce this last time off this trend line, we were at 51.22 and we went up to 50 or 61.27. That's a 1,000-point move. 1,000 points. So I know we've been talking about a potential break lower, but we have held this trend since October of 2023, you guys. This overall larger trend has been held for a very, very long time. So we have to take this bounce into consideration. So you guys have heard me say it over and over again. You have to prep both ways. What happens if we go down and what happens if we go up? So since we've spent some time talking about the potential break lower, we got a beautiful bounce right through here and we came right back up into this range we've been holding right through here. So we need to see if this range pushes us back to test that lower trend line and then head on down, or is it going to push us a significant distance higher? So our trend line up here is about the 6,300s. So we could come on up, test that trend line up here, come back a little bit and continue higher. But I wanted to show you the bounce off this trend line last time was a 1,000-point move. So this is why we really have to make sure that we're either looking at a reversal with more downside, or are we going to bounce? Because we have to know if we go heavy into puts, which is why we've been saying we're not heavy into puts. If we bounce right here, we have potential for a larger move to the upside. So just be patient through here. This is an area where we can be setting up for a much bigger move.